Don't ever worry about spilling your special sauce in your thought leadership content. Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollack. I'm an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, here's why you'll never have to worry about spilling your special sauce. Sometimes when I talk to lawyers about a particular thought leadership, marketing, or business development project, they are concerned. They get worried that they might be spilling their special sauce in their thought leadership, and they don't want to give away the goods for free. When they come to me with that response, I tell them the following. You never have to worry about spilling your special sauce in your thought leadership content. Your special sauce, in terms of how you handle legal matters for your clients, is based on three things. It's based on the knowledge of the area of law that you practice. It's based on the wisdom that you bring to the table based on your experience and your time practicing law, and the facts and circumstances of your client's particular legal disputes. When you combine knowledge and wisdom and a client's facts and circumstances, you then have your special sauce. You have put the three together and you move forward because you know now how to proceed based on those three factors. When you're writing thought leadership content, you don't have that third factor. You don't have facts and circumstances. Yeah, you bring your knowledge and yeah, you bring your wisdom, but you don't bring the facts and circumstances of a particular client matter. So if you look at the types of thought leadership that lawyers typically write, when you're looking at legal developments such as new cases or new legislation or administrative agency actions, a lawyer can bring to the table, can bring to their piece of content their knowledge and their wisdom and not have to worry about getting into their special sauce because they don't have a client's particular circumstances and facts that are causing the lawyer to have to apply the knowledge and wisdom to the facts and circumstances. The lawyer is just commenting on what a legal development is. When you move to the more evergreen content, like 5 ways to ensure your FCPA internal investigation goes smoothly, yeah, now you might be getting a bit more into the facts and circumstances of particular client situations, but you don't have to go that far, right? You were talking about a particular situation, which is an internal investigation regarding perhaps FCPA violations, but you can still stay broad. You are not going too in-depth because there are no client facts and circumstances that you are going to get into because you don't have a client that you're talking about. Now, sometimes some law firms want to dive into what I would call a how we did it type piece of content where they are going to write a thought leadership article about how they tackled a particular client situation, a particular client legal dispute. And in those instances, yeah, now you're getting close to that line because you are going to have a particular client's facts and circumstances. But if you're writing that piece of content, guess what? You can take a step back. You don't have to get too far into the client's facts and circumstances. You can keep it broad so you are not getting into the exact unique facts and circumstances that, when combined with your wisdom and your knowledge, might lead to you disclosing some of your special sauce. Now, obviously, most thought leadership content is not going to go that far into the facts and circumstances because most clients don't want to have their legal issues discussed in that manner for the purposes of a law firm's marketing and business development efforts. And of course, you have to deal with the ethics issues of client confidentiality, and it's not even worth it to go there. So that's why you're not going to be spilling your special sauce in your thought leadership content. And finally, on a philosophical note, some people might say there's not a whole lot of special sauce out there on the part of lawyers. There are so many talented lawyers doing interesting things and making interesting arguments and using interesting techniques to secure favorable results for their clients, even in the most niche areas of the law. So how can lawyers really worry about spilling their special sauce in their thought leadership content when there's not much special sauce out there on the part of lawyers to begin with? Well, if you would like more information about how to create interesting, compelling marketing and business development content, including thought leadership content that doesn't spill your special sauce, check out lawfirmedgehill.service.com. We have plenty of videos and blogs that can help you do just that.